Welcome to DMP Training Center. I'm Aaron. Today we are going to discuss the COM Series version 202 update. We have a lot of exciting features in this update. What we have done is we have now added the ability to connect one of the communicators to the Power Series bus. That is the DSC series of the 1616, the 1832, or the 1864. You can connect this to the bus and it will gain you a lot of features within Virtual Keypad. So it's very similar to how it operates when you are using a communicator on a Vista series panel connected to the ECP bus. So what are some of those things that you get in Virtual Keypad? Well, you'll be able to arm and disarm that system through Virtual Keypad. You'll be able to check zone status as well and see whether or not the zone is in a good state or a faulted state. If a zone is in a faulted state, upon attempting to arm the system, you will be presented with a screen that will allow you to bypass that zone during the arming as well. You can also remotely manage the user codes through Virtual Keypad. And of course, you can get push notifications in Virtual Keypad that let you know exactly what's happening with full user detail and full zone description details as well for those alarm messages. So a lot of power being brought in when you're connecting this to that DSC Power Series panel. Now, a couple of extra things that we've done is we really enhanced how you can set these systems up, and we've added a step in the Diagnostics menu of the communicators. So that diagnostic menu is the 2313 menu, and once you enter Diagnostics, what you can do is you can go all the way until you see DSC setup, or if you're on a Vista series panel, you will see ECP setup. Once you enter that menu, it will ask you for the installer code of that DSC panel or of that Vista panel. You will type in that installer code, and then we will automatically reach into the programming of that system and program the appropriate fields to make sure that the communicator and your panel, whether that's the DSC Power Series panel or the Vista Series panel, will communicate together, and all of that will work together really well, and you won't have to worry about going in and manually changing those. So that's a big time saver for your teams when they're on site getting that all set up. As well, there's another option in Diagnostics that we've added that allows you to retrieve the zone list from your DSC Power Series or your Vista Series panel as well. And then what that does is then that sends all of that information to Dealer Admin and Virtual Keypad, so that when your users log into the app and they go to that zone status screen, they get to see all those zones with the names of those zones as well. So it's not just labeled Zone 1. You will see front door, back door, and the appropriate status as well. Version 202 will be available to download into your panels from Dealer Admin, and don't forget to take advantage of the bulk firmware update as well, so you can get all of your communicator series updated in one shot, and you can just set those and forget it. Really saves you a lot of time. It will also be available from Dealer Direct on the DMP website, and you can download that and update your panels as needed. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.